Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change language in Google Chrome browser. So let's get started. First thing, to the rightmost top you'll be having this three dots icon. Just select that and you'll be having settings. Click it, and here to the left we will be having languages. So just click on languages, and by default the language will be English United States. And as you can see here, it has clearly mentioned this language is used to display menus, settings, alerts and other text in Chrome. So to add your own language, just click on add languages, and here you can search whatever the language that you want. I will just go with a random language now. Go with this one and click on add. The language has been added over here, and what you can do is you'll be having these three dots. Select it and just check the first one, display Chrome in this language. Just check this and just relaunch so that this language will be everywhere on your Chrome. So I will click on relaunch, and now as you can see the language has been changed from English to Dutch. If you want to again change it, here you will be having English and other languages. You can just click here and select the first option and again click on relaunch, and now as you can see here it's back to English. So that's that video guys. I hope you would have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.